Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this headband. I use milk cotton yarn and 3mm hook. First, make a slip knot and chain of 45. Next, skip the first chain and into the second make 2 single crochet. Next, chain 1, turn your work. Into the first stitch, make 1 increase single crochet, which is 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, same, make 1 increase single crochet. Next row, chain 1, turn your work. Into the first stitch, make 1 increase single crochet. Next stitch, a single crochet. Next stitch, a single crochet. Into the last stitch, make 1 increase single crochet. Next row, chain 1, turn your work. Make 1 single crochet into every stitches. For this row, you will have 6 single crochet. Next, chain 1, turn your work. Make 6 single crochet. Next row, chain 1, turn your work, and 6 single crochet. For the next row, you just repeat this, make 6 single crochet until you have your desired long. Alright, this is mine. I make 64 of rows. If you want it longer, just add few more rows. Next, move to decreasing row, make chain 1, turn your work. In the first and the second stitch, make single crochet decrease. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Next stitch, a single crochet. Next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet decrease. Next row, make chain 1, turn your work. Into the first and the second stitch, make 1 single crochet decrease. Third and fourth stitch, make 1 single crochet decrease. For this row, you have 2 single crochet decrease. Next row, chain 1, turn your work, and make 1 single crochet decrease. Next, make chain of 45. Alright, this is my headband finish. The total length of this headband is 33 centimeter. Alright, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!